is a beautiful day today. It is a beautiful day today.
It's nice and sunny. It's nice and sunny.
The sky is clearing up now. The sky is clearing up now.
It looks like it's rain. It looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like it's rain. It looks like it's gonna rain.
It is very cloudy right now. It is very cloudy right now. It's just a light drizzle. It's just a light drizzle. It's pouring outside. It's pouring outside.
It's gloomy today. It's gloomy today. It's quite hot outside. It's quite hot outside.
Today's a scorcher. Today's a scorcher.
It's getting a bit chilly. It's getting a bit chilly.
It is freezing today. It is freezing today. It is a little breezy today. Woo! It is a little breezy today. Woo!
It's a bit windy. It's a bit windy.
Whoa! The wind is so strong. Whoa! The wind is so strong.
The fog is very thick this morning. The fog is very thick this morning.
It's so muggy out today. It's so muggy out today.
The snow is really coming down. The snow is really coming down. Be careful. The roads are icy. Be careful. The roads are icy.
lightning was so close. Oh, that lightning was so close.